Today I'm trying to show that this igniter for the water heater in my trailer is not working right. You'll see a spark here when I turn on the power supply. Right? So it sparks. Here's the problem. The gap is so little. You see how wide that screwdriver blade is? It should jump a gap that wide. Let's see if I can get it in here close. And it's not. It's jumping a gap about the thickness of the screwdriver. So it's about a 30 thousandths gap, and it needs to be 125 thousandths or an eighth of an inch. And it can't do it. It can just barely do it here. Which means if there was any dew or moisture, since the trailer is always outside, if the dew or moisture got across that gap, it would kill the spark no matter what. It's a lot harder to bridge an eighth of an inch gap with practically anything. So it looks like my my igniter needs to get replaced. That's like 80 bucks. Yay.